Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So seeing as how today is September 1st, it's only fitting that we go ahead and unbox my Ipsy PR box. So in this box I do have the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Glam bag plus, both gifted to me in PR from Ipsy, so thank you guys so much. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just want to again thank Ipsy so much for gifting this to me in PR. It's almost been a year now since I've been on Ipsy's PR list, and these things are just still so really cool. You know, the last couple months haven't been the best for Ipsy, but that's okay. I always go into it open-minded. Hopefully this one will be absolutely fantastic. But I do want to talk on something because at the end of the day, even though I do receive PR from Ipsy, I'm still a paying customer. Like, I still pay for my own box. And on August 19th, I got an email that says, "Hi Allie, at Ipsy, we're always looking for new ways to enhance your membership and help you discover more beauty products you'll love. To ensure your experience keeps getting better, we are changing the price of the Glam Bag Plus to $28 a month, starting with October shipments. We're excited to keep bringing you amazing brands like Goldafan MD, Kate Somerville, and Uma Beauty, trending products and more personalization than ever before. Don't worry, your Glam Bag X price remains the same. Want a free Glam Bag? Sign up here," or whatever. I don't know. I mean, it's only like a $3 difference, but I still thought that was like a little like intriguing because I think they raised the price for the Glam Bag 2 to I think $12. I think it was originally 10, but I think now it's raised to 12. I don't pay for the Glam Bag at all. Like, I don't have that in my subscription service, so I don't know if that one went up. If it did, please let me know, but I thought I saw somewhere that it did. But regardless, my Glam Bag Plus did raise by $3, so we're going to still see if this is worth it because like I said, I still am a paying customer. I still pay for my own box. At the end of the day, even though I get this in PR, I still review this like a normal customer because I still am a normal customer. I pay for my own box. Same thing with BoxyCharm. I pay for my own box. I pay for everything all on my own, even though I do resend in PR because I still want to see what I get compared to what people who on PR get. So we're going to see what's in here. Hopefully this is a good month's box. I really do love Ipsy X. I think their Ipsy X boxes are absolutely fantastic. So here's hoping this will be really good. As always, they never send me like a info card on what the products are or what the products values are or anything like that. So I never can tell you what's in the Glam Bag and what's in Glam Bag Plus because all the items are just thrown in here. So I do apologize for that. I do wish that was something that they would actually like keep us up to date on and was telling us like, hey, this is what you're getting in your $12 bag and then like your $25 bag, but they don't, and it is what it is. Like, I can't control that. So first things first, we have this little Ipsy Studio. I have to say that this is super freaking cute. I really do like the color and the theme. I think it's absolutely adorable. And we have this little makeup bag right here. Now, I have to say this makeup bag is so stinking cute. Like, it is so cute. I really do love it. I love the plaid. So the first item that we have in here is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Bad Gal Bang. I actually have the full size of this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday just because I literally own the full size. I think I have 2 of these actually. So it's a really great mascara. I have nothing bad to say about it. My favorite one from Benefit is their magnetic lashes, and the roller lashes are my favorite. But this one definitely isn't bad at all. That's cool. Next, we do have something from H2O Plus. This is a hydration sensitive gel cleanser. Okay. We have Girl Lactoc. This is Glow on the Go. Oh, it's like a highlighter stick on the Glow. That's really cool. This is definitely a full size. Again, this will go into No Waste Wednesday because I just don't do well with these, but that's actually really cool. I like the full size of it in here, and I wish I could say what the brand is. I'm sorry. Then we have oh my God, what is this? This is so pretty. What is this? Ooh, this is from Nabla. This is the shade Renaissance. Ooh, this is super freaking pretty. It's a lip gloss. Oh my God, it smells like coconuts. It smells really good. This is actually really, really pretty. I really do love this. I'll have to give this a try. That smells incredible though. Wow. Okay, cool. That's everything that's in here. I don't know. There's only 4 items in here. I'm assuming there's something else that's in this box that's supposed to go in this bag, but they only put 4 items in this bag, but I still think this bag is just so stinking cute. Like, truly it is. Okay, so the first thing, moving on, we have a 111 Skin. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. This is an ultra hydrating concentrate, provides an instant moisturization boost to quench and replenish dry and dehydrated skin. I can't use you. After use, the complexion will appear plump, conditioned, and rejuvenated. So what's really funny is that when it comes to PR, I don't have a say in like what I get. I don't have a say in like skin tones, skin type preferences. Like they just send whatever they send, and I'm just grateful for it. So unfortunately, I will not get a use of this at all because it's for dry and dehydrated skin. And if you guys know me, you guys know that your girl is super duper freaking oily. Like they use like my oil to fry eggs on. So I mean, there's just no way I can get a use out of this, but I'm gonna add it to the No Waste Wednesday. Hopefully somebody else gets a good use out of it though. Okay, so next there is a product from, oh, I've received this before. This is the Perfect Shine. This is a clarifying scrub. This is a clarifying scalp scrub. I've used this. Not really a big fan, but okay, cool. Next, we have a Grace and Stella Spray All Day. This is a rose hydrating facial spray. This might be in the $12 bag. It's kind of small. Oh, I think, yeah, for sure, right? Legit smells like roses. Whew. We're just going to add to the shine. But smells good. Smells really good. And it's just supposed to help to keep makeup nice and hydrated. Okay, cool. Smells good, actually. All right, next we have something from Murad. This is the Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. Reduces blemishes and reduces redness within 4 hours. So I'm not gonna lie, I have like a tiny little visitor right here. Bob is wanting to say hello to me this month. Hi, Bob. And I'll have to give this a try because I've never used like an acne spot treatment. So hopefully this is a good product. And I'll definitely let you guys know because I'm starting to have a little breakout because my Aunt Flo is visiting me this month. She's supposed to come any day now. Like she always likes to make unexpected visits sometimes. And I'm like, bitch, can you let me know? You and Bob have got to be on the same schedule. But yeah, I'll have to give that a try. That's cool. So we do have a product from, this is from Eye Maquillage. If I say that wrong, I'm so sorry. This is a multi-dimensional eye color quad. Ooh. That kind of looks like Makeup Geek font a little bit. And here we have the eyeshadow palette right here. I don't think I've really tried anything besides their mascara from this brand. But that's really pretty, very neutral, very soft. That's pretty. All right, then we have 2 face masks. This is a Restore sheet mask and a watery sheet mask. 2 little masks right here. Maybe this was in the $12 bag. I'm not sure. But 2 little face masks. And then as always, we always get the Santa sack. Ho, ho, ho. It always comes with a Santa sack. Not gonna lie, this one's actually kind of cute. But what's really, really unfortunate is I really just hate the fact that if you're paying $25 are now going to be going on to $28 a month, you should really get a makeup bag like you do for the $12 one. Instead, they give you like a sack. Like in reality, the only thing I ever use these for is to store like miniature items for my No Waste Wednesday, and I always put it in the box and send it out that way. But I just wish that if you're paying the price, you should get a makeup bag as well. I mean, they used to do that. They used to do like something like this. They do like a medium bag and then a big bag for the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which that was just pure shit. But they used to do a bag for each one, and for some reason, ever since they got rid of the Ultimate, they just start switching it to a sack, and I've never been into it. I just really wish that if you're paying $28, they should put in something like this at least, you know, like put in a makeup bag. Don't put in a freaking Santa sack. Like I'll never understand whose idea that was to put it in here and why they think it's a good idea. That's just my opinion, but I just wish that it have a cute makeup bag like they used to do back in the day. But that is everything that I got in the 2 boxes. Oh, I'm going to get hate on for saying this, and you know what, it is what it is. If I was paying for this box, I'd be so disappointed because it's just mostly skincare. I don't know what's been going on with Ipsy lately. You guys know how much I love Ipsy. They came back really strong when they rebranded and reformulated. They came back so strong, did so much makeup, and as of lately, they've been so skincare heavy, and I don't understand why. And I know skincare is great. I have a lot of it, but at the end of the day, as a paying customer, I'd like to have an equal balance where it's like a 3-to-2 ratio, where majority of it is makeup, focused, and as of lately, all of my Ipsy boxes, like my paid for, my PR, everything has been really skincare heavy, and it just gets to be too much because at the end of the day, no one needs this much skincare, and no one needs that much makeup either. Like, trust me when I say that. But you know, in reality, for skincare to really work, you really do have to use it for a minimum of 21 days. And I did a whole video where I tried out like the Hyram skincare, and I used it consistently for 30 days, and I still use it. But it just takes a lot of time for you to try out these products. And by the time you try them out and you start to see benefits, they're on to the next box where you get more stuff, more skincare as well. So I just wish they would start to implement more makeup in here, especially since they're going to be upping the prices. Like, and it's like a $3 difference, but a $3 difference is still a $3 difference. And I just wish they put more makeup in here. That's really what I wish for. Like, at the end of the day, I'm still so grateful to Ipsy. They've always been so sweet and so kind, and really, really personal whenever they message me on my business account, and I just am so grateful to them. But I just wish they would start to implement just a little bit more makeup in here and just tone down the skincare just a little bit. That's just me being completely honest, and if that comes off of me being negative or whatnot, then I apologize. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm just being honest with you guys, and I cannot tell you how often I'm vocal about my opinion or what I think, and I get ridiculed in the comment section for saying that I'm too negative or all I do is complain. No, I mean, as a paying customer, I would not be satisfied with this. Like, I'm gonna say that. Like, I'm never gonna lie to you guys. So if this like turns you off, then I'm sorry. I'm not gonna change who I am. I pride my honesty more than anything else. And you guys who know me know that this box is just disappointing. I just wish there's only 2 makeup items, and I'm not even gonna count the one that's in here. This one has more makeup on it than my $25 bag. I think I've been noticing as of lately the $12 bag or whatever the price this is going to be now always is more makeup heavy than the actual $25 bag is. Like, that is always very focused around skincare, and this to me has become more worth it. Even though it's sample sizes or deluxe sizes, I've been thoroughly enjoying this so much more. You get a beautiful bag, you get a lot of makeup items in here. Even though they're sample sizes, they're still makeup, and I enjoy it. Like, I got a mascara, I got a lippy, I got a highlight stick. Like, I love that. And then I got like a skincare item, which I think is great. It's an equal balance, which I appreciate. So yeah, I really hope that my paid for box is a little better. Usually my paid for box is because I'm able to customize it on my own. Whenever you have the Ipsy like Glam Bag Plus, you do get to pick 3 out of the 5 items, and I tend to do a lot of makeup, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, I'm gonna safely say this is definitely not an exciting box at all, but I'm still really grateful for it. And at the end of the day, none of these products are gonna be wasted. They're all gonna go to a wonderful home because they're all gonna be put into my No Waste Wednesday, where I get to give back to you guys, and that just makes me really happy. So either way, I'm still gonna be like happy and satisfied nonetheless. So yeah, guys, that is my Ipsy video for you guys. Sorry it's not more entertaining. I can only do so much with it. Sorry. I even have people ask me in my comment section, why don't I ever try on the makeup that I get in these boxes? It's kind of hard when I don't really get that much makeup. I really can't do too much, but you know, maybe one day I can. I'd love to. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye! Ipsy! Or hey guys. Hey guys. Get in here. What my the Ipsy base box plus the my god.